Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to share quick tutorial on how to file FORTNITE refund for FTC settlement. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you need to head over to this website. On this page, you will find quick information about what you will require to get refund. And believe me, process is super easy. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to tell you that I'm not eligible for the refund. So I'm just showing you the steps for your clarity. Alright. First, if you have received the email from FTC regarding refund, then select yes and click next. Else select no and check the upcoming step. On this screen, you need to enter your claim ID that you have received in the email via FTC. Fill the CAPTCHA and click next. On the other hand, if you are the one who have not received the claim ID, then click on this link to head over to Epic account ID page. Here you need to enter Epic account ID. If you are unaware of that, then here is how to find out. Head over to Epic Games website and log in using your credentials. Now click on the profile and then select account. On the top of the page, you will find Epic ID. Copy it and then head over to FTC refund page and paste it there twice. Fill CAPTCHA and click next. I'm getting this message because I'm not eligible for the refund as I'm from outside United States. On the other hand, if you are from United States and still receiving the message, then it's possible that you are not eligible for refund as well. In this case, you can use this email ID on the page to contact them directly. For users who are eligible, they will be moved to next screen. There they will ask for the information about purchases you have made during the time period for which this refund is offered. Apart from this, you need to keep following on-screen instructions till the final confirmation. I hope this helped. Did you follow the procedure? Are you eligible for the settlement claim? Please share in the comments. What else they ask in the next screen? I would love to know about that. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.